Hello everyone. Today I reading challenge symbol. One of the bigger mistakes we often make in life is to think we have a lot of time. You think you have 10, 20, 30, 40 more years to go. But the truth is the time goes by so quickly. That's why people say time flies, and when it lost, you will never get it back. So, please take care your time. How to take care your time? With me opinion, I also lost time. I waste time a lot because I also same. I think it's okay. Tomorrow I do. It's okay. Later I do. It's okay. Enjoy first. Relax first. Do it later. Then every day I waste time. I go back home after finish work and then I look back. Nothing to do. What the meaning I do in today? What the value I get today? Nothing, because I always think I have time. So how I decide to fit it? I try to search internet. I read book and now I know how I need to do. The first, I need to make the to-do list. What's the important I need to do in today? So I choose one task important must finish today and two tasks priority due today and one more mean if I can do I do, if cannot do also can keep for tomorrow. I try do like this, and when I look back I feel happy. I feel, oh, it's okay, I already finished the important task. I also can yes a work for me. Thank you.